Hello guys, as promised izolo ilentuzana recipe risotto. As is stamp guys, it's not stamp, it's risotto. It's rice from Italy, ne? Iba creamy. So now my ingredients, we're gonna start by melting our butter and then we're gonna toast and coat our risotto in butter until it's coated, and then we're gonna add half cup of wine until the risotto absorbs the wine, and then you're gonna add the remainder of the wine until also it absorbs ilentuzana wine, and then now we're gonna add our broth. So guys, let me tell you this, risotto, it really needs a lot of liquidness. So make sure that you have enough broth or hot water, so that if ever amanzi ayaphela ingakabi al dente, ingakabi ngathi soft, you keep on adding, ne? But you must be very careful ukuthi unga-add too much of water because izo overcook, understand? So, and make sure we are taster all the time so that you can feel the softness of the risotto, ne? So so fry mushrooms wethu, I fried them for 3 minutes mbonile. I season them with a fish spice, then fry them for 3 minutes, take them aside, and then now fry ama mushrooms wethu until aba brown. Now I'm gonna take them aside. Yo, le rice ithatha isikhathi ukuvutha, yo. And then now, okay, finally it's al dente, it's getting soft. So now we're gonna add our cream, ne cream cheese. The cream cheese, I added half of this tub, but you can add yonke mawufuna. And then ugocoze, and then you're gonna add your mushrooms, and then you're gonna mix, and then also you're gonna close your pot. And then now you have to be really careful, ne, ukuthi risotto yakho, it shouldn't overcook. So keep checking on it. It's like you're looking after a baby. Yeah, but na recipe guys, I hope you'll get it sharp.